Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-An'am. قل أرأيتم إن أخذ الله سمعكم وأبصاركم وختم على قلوبكم من إله غير الله يأتيكم به انظر كيف نصرف الآيات ثم هم يصدفون. Translation. Say, have you imagined if Allah takes away your hearing and your sight and seals your heart, then who is God other than Allah capable to restore them to you? See how we explain our verses in diverse forms, yet they turn away. In the previous ayahs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends his messengers to a specific nation that is a Rasul, and when Rasul gives the message to the nation and the nation rejects it, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends some small punishments and tests to the nation so that the nation can turn back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, come back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But when they don't humble themselves and don't come back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala seals their hearts and shaitan makes them feel that they are doing a good job. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala opens the doors of the dunya for them, the world for them, and give them more of the benefits of this world, and they increase in their sins and they don't get the message of truth in their heart. And when they reach at the peak of their disobedience, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends a painful punishment that destroys that nation. And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that the hearing and the sight are the big big favors of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes these favors away, takes the hearing and sight away, then who can bring them back to you other than Allah himself? And also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can seal the hearts. That means that when we see the truth, when we hear the truth, our heart testify that yes, this is truth. But if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala seals that testimony, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala seals the heart, then even despite seeing of the truth and hearing the truth, the heart will not give the testimony of the truth. And this is a big loss for a human being, that he cannot identify the truth. And this ability is given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this ability can be taken away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As it has been mentioned before, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not do this randomly. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only does this, only seals the heart of those who are continuously rejecting the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whose heart are giving the testimony of truth, but they are just not acting on it. And when they continue doing that, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala seals the heart of these criminals. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has been very, very merciful, and He has been giving His ayahs, His signs in very different forms, and He changes His verses in different forms to give the message, but the non-believers turn away. And this has been happening since the time of revelation of Quran, and this is happening even today, that despite of seeing all these ayahs, the people turn away from the truth. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make our hearts steadfast on the truth. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.